Let's talk about Robinhood stock, guys. Okay, so here we are with an update video on Robinhood. So guys, I'm going to be uploading a lot more kind of videos where I'm covering several stocks, but I really wanted to just record this one video specifically talking about Robinhood because I posted a basically a IPO review of Robinhood. I believe it was like just over 2 weeks ago, and I said that this stock is kind of like, it's like the Facebook of brokerage, stock trading brokerage apps. And I really advised, a lot of people are asking if they should buy it or not, and I said, hey, me personally, I don't really like using Robinhood, but I would not bet against them, guys. Okay, Robinhood is an absolutely powerful business. They have over 18 million active customers on there, active users, the majority of them younger millennials, and these younger millennials are going to be making a lot more money in the next couple of decades. So I thought that this was a great business with a great flywheel. And like I said, guys, it's still a young company. Robinhood hasn't even been around 10 years yet, so I think they have a lot of upside in the future. So now I want to talk a little bit about why Robinhood stock kind of crashed and things like that. And I want to talk about where I think this stock is heading into the future. Before I get into the video, guys, I really appreciate it if you guys give this video a thumbs up and support my channel. And also be sure to check out some of the links in the description below. As I talk right now, Bitcoin is really soaring. I've been really bullish on Bitcoin, even when it was basically selling off around 29,000. So guys, if you're interested in buying Bitcoin, be sure to use Coinbase. I think it's the safest place to buy it, and be sure to grab your 2 free stocks on Webull. Webull is actually, I'm using the Webull desktop app as I'm recording this video, so be sure to check it out. So first off, let's kind of talk about what happened with Robinhood stock here. Okay, we saw a pretty big sell-off, and I want to talk a little bit about that more. So what happened is that Robinhood ended up selling some shareholders. So these shares were basically sold by a lot of the insider holders. Okay, so as we see here in the article, it says that these the people that sold the shares were from venture capitalist firms like New Enterprise Associates, which owns more than 10% of shares, Anderson Horowitz, Iconic Capital, etc., guys. So they were basically dumping. Okay, they saw the price run up. The stock actually ended up doubling like within a day. So as you can see here, it was basically trading at around $40, something like that. It ran all the way up, had a high of about $85, so they ended up dumping those shares. So now we're sitting at about 57 bucks, okay? A lot of people started trading this stock basically because the options opened up, and of course Robinhood users are using Robinhood, so it makes sense that this stock would be a big target. It looks like a lot of the tension is kind of gone away from AMC, and I actually ended up closing out my AMC position. Okay, I sold my final shares at around $30, so I don't hold any more AMC stock. So I really think the AMC rally is really going to be hurt by the whole Delta situation. So I think that's why a lot of people are moving into digital stocks. But Bitcoin is starting to run, guys. So here's my guess what's going on with Robinhood. I think all of these recovery stocks, okay, so we're really talking about stocks like travel and things like that. I think that they're going to get sold off in the next couple of weeks leading up to September. And I think digital stocks, so stocks like Robinhood, SoFi, Bitcoin, anything digital that's online, I think it's going to start soaring, and I think these brick and mortar type recovery stocks are going to start going down. So now, where's my long-term view for Robinhood? Well, if we look at Robinhood, we can basically consider it that it's heading on its way to big tech. Okay, so when we're looking at big tech companies, we're talking about Amazon, Facebook, Google, Uber, right? Microsoft, Netflix, you can include it. Any company that is basically the most dominant player in the field, and the business is majority is digital based. Obviously, Apple isn't all digital based, but the majority of the business is digital, because when it's digital, it has a great flywheel. It's asset light. It doesn't cost a lot of capital to get the business going. So Robinhood is a very, very, very dangerous stock. And I don't say dangerous in terms of I think it's going to crash. I really think that Robinhood in the future could be like a $500 billion, trillion-dollar company. Like I said, I don't personally really use Robinhood, but for a lot of people, it's the first app that they've used when they've started investing in the market. And if you guys want a really in-depth analysis of Robinhood stock, be sure to check out my IPO video that I posted. I really go in depth there. Robinhood's growth rate is phenomenal. And looking right now at the whole Bitcoin bull market, this isn't over. So as we can see here, Robinhood makes a ton of money off of options trading. They make a ton of money off, selling order flow to a lot of these hedge funds like Citadel. and they're making a lot of money off crypto, guys. So, you know, Robinhood's going to be coming out with their own crypto wallet, and they're going to 18 million users, not a lot of users. This company's going to easily have 100 million users in the future. They're going to expand to different markets. They're probably going to expand to the UK. Maybe they expand to some other countries as well. Sky's the limit for Robinhood, okay? They can really take over the world and kind of really disrupt the whole stock trading phenomenon. Now, that could take a few years, but just like when Facebook started out, and then the next thing you know, they're in every country. It's possible for Robinhood. They really could transform the way that people invest throughout the world. So I would say it's very dangerous to short this stock, I think. I think this is a great stock to trade. We're looking here, we saw a lot of support here coming around $50. And if you guys are looking to get in and out of this stock, the volume's really excellent right now. It's looking at around 58 million shares. You know, it's got phenomenal volume. It just seems like there's a lot of opportunities, I think, to trade in and out of Robinhood stock. But in the long run, you know, it's sitting at a $47 billion market cap, okay? You know, they're going to increase their profits, and they're a profitable company. They're not really losing money now because they're simply selling order flow. It's just it's a really profitable business. So I would think, you know, obviously if this whole Delta thing continues, we saw what happened during the last lockdown. If they locked down America and things like that, a lot of people are going to be right on Robinhood trading like crazy. And every time someone makes an order on Robinhood, they make money. So the more activity on Robinhood, the more money they're going to make. So I'm going to give Robinhood, I think, a price prediction. I think Robinhood's easily going to be a $100 stock. I'm not exactly sure when. It could take a few months. It could take a year, but I would not bet against them, guys. I would not short Robinhood stock. Robinhood is an excellent, excellent long-term hold. Don't bet against big tech. It's got a great flywheel and everything like that. So I just wanted to mention this because I think a lot of people got kind of, maybe they got caught blindsided if they bought Robinhood at like $60, $70, maybe as high as $80. And then now it's sold off. What should they do? Maybe they're down or something like that. So obviously this is not financial advice, guys, but I would say Robinhood's a great long-term hold. Okay, I still think it's a cheap company. They're going to continue growing. You know, in more lockdowns just means more business and more money for Robinhood. So I think it's a good long-term hold. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please smash the like button to receive more videos from me. I'm going to be posting some more kind of stock roundups where we talk about multiple stocks. But I really want to just throw this Robinhood video out there because I thought this was like a nice dip buying opportunity. I wanted to let you guys know. So let me know what you guys are doing as well. If you guys have any, if you guys are trading in and out of Robinhood, or you made some big gains on this recent run-up, let me know in the comments. And if you guys want to see more future videos on Robinhood, let me know as well. So that's until next time, guys. Take care.